Well, breakfast time. It's 8:59. Where should we go? Are we going to go northeast of Florida?
I think we should go to the Sonic. It's got the kickin' breakfast. Look at all those people in line.
We already had breakfast at the Hampton Inn with Andre Bracher.
And you're going to buy a pony, so I mean...
She's letting me get a pony. So we're going to have a Name the Pony contest.
Everything's off the table right now.
Everything's off the table. I went to a Walmart.
He went to Walmart, and I got about 15 texts while he was in the Walmart.
I almost bought her a papaya as well.
That's all because of the whole jackfruit incident from the other day.
The great jackfruit incident of 2022.
Jackfruit incident.
Beware of the jackfruit. So, we're heading off on today's big adventure. Looking like it's
Go fancy umbrellas.
a lot of umbrellas on the beach here in Galveston.
Are those
Rent an umbrella? I don't know.
like specifically like come here for these umbrellas?
I think people paid for them.
Well,
I would
rent
assume.
them. You rent. It's not an ownership. You know,
No.
as I've discussed that most of the land here in Galveston, being on an island that is probably at or below sea level, you're not buying that property. You're just renting it from the ocean. Hurricanes should teach people lessons.
I would agree that is a very true statement.
Mm.
And look, we're driving down where we walked yesterday.
Yes, we did a little walking last night.
Almost 8 miles, if you round up.
Goodbye, Rita's.
Rita's was very nice.
Iced custard happiness. And
Yeah.
if you don't know what that is, I'll tell you later. There is at least one available in Rochester. There's some in the southern tier. Some in Pennsylvania. And apparently Galveston. So
Of all places.
Of all places. It's probably some relocated New York person who's like, I got a franchise idea.
Then why didn't they bring a Carvel down here?
Because there's like 7 left.
So
Nobody wants Fudgy the Whale in Galveston.
I can't believe people have reached a point where they don't want Fudgy the Whale.
I don't even know if they make that anymore. We only have like
That's
one
sad.
Carvel in Syracuse area now.
It's kind of sad. I miss Carvel. The crunchies in the cake were the killer.
Yeah, those are pretty good. Nice.
Whatever those crunchies were.
The bones of small children.
Bones of the whale.
The bones of the whale.
They took Fudgy's bones and they crushed them up and put them in the cake. So, pretty soon we'll get to the launch site.
Are those oil rigs out there or boats?
That looks like it could be an oil rig.
Those things on the horizon of the ocean.
Actually, it's the Gulf.
Well,
The Gulf of Mexico.
the Gulf of Mexico. Since I can't see either side, it's very oceany looking.
Oh, okay. Well, for all of you flat earthers, udders, flat udders.
We don't have flat earth watchers.
We don't have flat water. Anybody out there watching the flat earth? I can tell you that on the horizon it looks a little curved. It seems to go on, and nothing out there is falling off.
Columbus fell off.
Well, that's open to interpretation.
Okay. Ooh, EW van.
So,
A Westphalia van. Oh, it's very pretty.
it is a big, bright ball of yellow out there.
It's very sunny from there. Oh, that's so much better. People just go out and lay on the beach at 9 a.m.
Obviously so.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
So your spacesuit ready
My spacesuit. Yeah.
as we launch into the vast openness of the outer reaches. Totally incommunicado, out of touch with all.
With all.
With all. I think you can end the sentence with all. You don't have to define.